Determined Cafe back when check this out. Hit on my TikTok shop page. We about ready to unbox this right here. I've been seeing this lunchbox all over. The lunchbox you can put it in your car, you can put it in your house, you can put it in your truck, in your van. It comes in a variety of different colors right here. You see gray, red, purple, green, blue, black. Now let's open this up, y'all. Now we're not gonna waste a lot of time on this one. This is amazing. It comes with this beautiful lunch bag that it comes in. Now, you. Look at that beautiful blue. You hear me now? You hear me? Check this out, man. You doing Spark, Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Postmates, Grubhub. You're a soccer mom. You going to the office. You're an office guy. You going to the gym. You coming home from work. You going to work. Look at all these beautiful things. You got your vegetable container. You got your cord for the house. You got your cord for the car. It comes with real silverware. Metal silverware. Comes with instructions, of course. Now check this out. You got to have one of these. Maybe even two. Maybe even three of these. You going on a road trip. You got the kids in the car. You might not want to keep stopping at different fast food restaurants. You can make your food at night. Put it in a container. Take your lunchbox with you in the morning. Put it in the car. Sit at your desk if you're working from home. Because I know how my work from home people do. Sit it on your desk. Put it in it. Plug it up. Set it. This is like a crock pot lunchbox right here, y'all. This joint is amazing. This is the area for your different plugs. My wife made this beautiful meal. Hit in my TikTok shop, y'all. Get you about 2-3 of these. Bam.